Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Okay, so it's time for another nail art tutorial, and my theme for today is my cute Valentine. For my base, I'm using pastel purple and pastel pink, and I'm making an ombre background. After having an opaque looking ombre, I did the cleanup. Now let's apply top coat to smoothen the surface and to blend in all the colors. I'm using these two cats for my index and middle nail. Now I'm painting this one with blue. Then I'm painting the other one with yellow. After letting those two to dry, I stamp them on my nails. For my thumb and pinky nail, I'm using this hearts pattern with a pink stamping polish. As for my ring nail, I'm using this love design. I first stamped a black version, then I stamped a white version on top of it. Then after all of that, I applied my favorite top coat. And that's it! If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. See to it that you follow me on Instagram so you won't miss any of my updates. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!